Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Clark. We've learned a lot about some different strategies that we can use to help us with our addition problems. We've talked about the adding 10 strategy. We've talked about the doubles strategy. We've talked about doubles plus one strategy. Today, we're actually going to talk about a new one, and that is called the near doubles strategy. The near double strategy. What does that mean? Well, we're going to be looking at some problems that are near or very close to becoming doubles. So let's go ahead and look at that. I've pulled up a lesson on Seesaw, and here I can see that I have one side that says doubles facts, and the other side says near doubles facts. Well, I'm going to look at my choices here at the bottom, and I know that doubles facts have add-ins that are the same number. 4 is an add-in, and 4 is an add-in. Well, that's the same number that I'm adding together. That's what we call a doubles fact. So 4 plus 4 is 8. You are correct. Do you see any other doubles facts? 8 plus 8 is a doubles fact. I know that 8 plus 8 is, yes, 16. Correct. Good job. So I am looking for my choices down here, and I am looking for all of the ones that the add-ins are exactly the same. 6 plus 6 is a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 is 12. You got it. Here's another one. 5 plus 5 is a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here's another one. Oh, that's the same one. 6 plus 6 is, yep, 12. Good job. I see another one. 2 plus 2 is 4. Correct. Good job. Now, all of the choices that remain are what we call near doubles facts. Near doubles facts. They are very close to becoming a double fact. So let's look at this 4 plus 5 first. 4 plus 5 is very close to being 4 plus 4. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and I know that 5 is one more. So this is kind of like doubles plus 1. I just need to add one more, and that will make it, you guessed it, 9. So if I know my doubles facts really well, I will be able to solve these near doubles facts. So 3 plus 2 is very near to being a doubles fact. What doubles fact would you choose if you saw 3 plus 2? Remember, we want to try our best not to use our fingers when we're counting. So we try different strategies to help us be able to do that. So if I were looking at 3 plus 2, I would try to think in my head, what is the nearest doubles fact that I know that could help me solve this problem without using pictures or counting on my fingers? I'm looking at the lowest number, and the lowest number is 2. So I'm going to think, 3 is very close to 2. So I'm going to think in my head, 2 plus 2 plus one more. And that will give me the answer of 5. Let's look at 5 plus 4. Well, 5 plus 4 is the turnaround problem for 4 plus 5. I'm going to think in my head 4 plus 4 plus one more, and that gives me 9. The other thing that I could do is to think about what 5 plus 5 is. Let me use my pencil to write this down. I could think in my head 5 plus 5, but see, because I am actually adding one more than I need to, I would actually need to go backwards. So I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, but because 4 is 1 less than 5, I'm going to take away 1 from 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 1 is 9. So I still get the same answer of 9. I just think about it in a reverse kind of way. I have 9 plus 8. That is a near double fact. 9 plus 9 is 18. Take away 1 would be 17. Or I could think of it the opposite way. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more would be 17. Here we have 7 plus 8. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14, and 1 more would be 15. And here we have 7 plus 6. I can think about 7 plus 7, or I can think about 6 plus 6. If I do 7 plus 7, I'm going to have to go backwards 1. If I think about 6 plus 6, I'm going to have to add 1. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. So I can use these near doubles facts to help me solve problems without counting and without using fingers or pictures. I've pulled up the page that you will be looking at in your math journal. So this says helper doubles facts. Helper doubles facts. So this is on page 26 in your math journal. It goes along with lesson 2.5. So it says, for each problem, do the following. Circle the helper doubles in the tens frame. Write the helper doubles fact. Write the fact that matches the double 10 frames. Here is your example. So here is a tens frame and here is another tens frame. The helper doubles fact that we can use, I see 4 dots here in the first tens frame and 4 dots here in the second tens frame. My doubles fact for this one would be 4 plus 4. So I write that here, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then I can see that there's one more dot here. So I'm going to write 4 plus, and then how many dots are here altogether? 5 equals 9. Let's go ahead and do number 1 together. Get your pencil ready and make sure that you are looking at page 26 in your math journal. All right, so do you see a doubles fact that we could come up with to help us with our problem? You could say 3 plus 3. So I am going to focus on circling these 3 dots, and I'm going to circle these 3 dots. I'm trying to find a match in both of my tens frames. I know that my doubles fact that can help me is 3 plus 3. What is that, boys and girls? That is 6. All right, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, the fact that's actually on my paper, though, I have to include this one dot that I left out. So how many dots are there altogether? Well, it's 4. So I'm going to write 4 plus these 3 dots. I know that 3 plus 3 plus 1 more would be 7. Okay. So I would like you to try numbers 2 and 3 on your own. Again, look for what you can put together. Here for this one, I might do 5 plus 5. I might use that doubles fact. What can you see in number 3 that you can make into a doubles fact? Don't forget to circle it, just like I circled my doubles fact on my paper. All right, so you are going to finish page 26, and you're also going to be working on page 27. 27 looks like this. It's just continuing the doubles facts and the helper doubles facts. So you've got one that is a little bit tricky, and it's a try this. I want you to solve 8 plus 6 equals, and then I want you to tell me in writing how you figured out 8 plus 6 without using fingers and without using pictures. You're also going to be working on your math boxes on page 28. Boys and girls, you did a great job listening. Go ahead and complete your work in your math book, pages 26, 27, and 28. And I will be with you again tomorrow for another lesson. Bye-bye.